Sanibonani zithona zami, ngiyacela sikhumbuzane ukuthi iwebsite kathabusintwenhle.com isebenza kanjani kulaba abasha la ekhaya noma kulaba abadala. Alright, so uyafaka lapha phezulu ku Google wakho njengoba ubonile ngifakile ngathi thabusintwenhle.com ilinki, and then kuvela uThabusi Jobs lapha phezulu. Ngiyanicela guys ngalenze iphutha ningawachofa uThabusi Jobs. It's thabusintwenhle.com now, right? So nanso ke isingifakile la bengihloshwa network, please don't mind that. So lana guys ngenzele kwalula if you're a general worker, unskilled worker, mangabe ufuna imisebenzi efuna i-experience but engasifuna certificate, whether a matric, a degree or whatever, uzongena lapha yana. But if you're an ufuna i-agency open, ngifakile lapha ngathi open agencies, ngafaka ngathi u-health, kusho ukuthi mangabe ufuna ama post akonesi noma ako caregiving, nje ama categories ahlukahlukene, so it will be easy for you. Uyazazi ukuthi ungena ngaba uyi-security, ngibhalile lapha category ka security, uzobusuyangena ubheka ama post aphesheya aqondene no security. Okay, so for the sake of le video ngizokwenza isibonelo ngomuntu othi yena mina ngisekhaya ngifisa ukusebenzela inkampani ese-America noma ese-UK while ngisekhaya, ayi ukuthi ngihambe mina physically. So ungena njengoba ungenile kwi-link le yakathabusintwenhle.com bese uyachofa lapha phezulu u-remote. Ungena ku-remote, this is the company eqashayo, iqasha abantu base South Africa abafuna ukusebenza online. So mase ungenile kwi-link le elaphayana under remote jobs, this is Freedom. So maungena, these are the companies that are currently hiring, bafuna i-remote sales representative USA, njengoba kubhaliwe lapha ukuthi USA company, lapha ngezansi khona u-virtual assistant nakhona laphaya it's UK based company. Okay, so nangu lokhuzana u-representative bafuna umuntu ozoqala ukusebenza Mondays to Friday njalo ngo 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. South African time. Kusho ukuthi wena mawunaso isikhathi uhleli lapha eSouth Africa njengamanje unganawo umsebenzi, nanko umsebenzi, you can work for inkampani yase-America while ulapha eSouth Africa. They provide you with i-training nama benefits abhaliwe lapha. Also uhola u-16,000 to 17,000, and that is i-basic salary yakho per month plus i-commission, right? So izinto ozenzayo, you answer calls njengoba kubhaliwe nje guys la, so you follow instructions njengoba nje ngikulandelanisa nami ngikhombisa ukuthi how to do it. So uma ukhona la unesifiso sokusebenza, there are a lot of job opportunities avuliwe njengamanje. Ngiyacela ningene kwi-website kathabusintwenhle.com ni apply.